disgrace. Searching for justice, embracing unity, in a land where love finds its sanctuary, not defined by poverty, but by education's glow. No room for a tyrant to command, for all there are rules in the sacred land. Respect earth, not fought with might, a nation where dignity shines so bright. We value hearts, not material things, in a land where dreams take flight, where hope sing. No matter where I was born, I proudly say I'll find my home in a good nation someday.